Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have a shower bench. And it's an adjustable length shower stool. And it looks like it's really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together for you right in front of you. And then we're going to take a look at this, shall we? So let's get straight to it. The instructions are very good. I'll probably put this together. I'll probably fast forward through putting it together and maybe do a little talk over on it. But then at the end, we'll take a look at it, okay? All right, there we go.
So it's a really quick and easy thing to put together here. It's a matter of 12 different screws. Very easy to put together. Then they even included the tool. It's just a hex tool. And you just put these already assembled legs on the sliding positions and on the fixed positions. You simply attach these legs right there with the screws. And then after you've done that, and then you just put the bottom shelf in, and I started there wrong. Put the bottom shelf in, tighten up the screws, and pretty much voila, you have a completed set.
Okay, so we got it together. You can see that. It slides, it's adjustable. It can be just a small stool like this, or if you want it to be longer, you can slide it all the way out to this long. How nice is that? That is really nice. Got a stool over here. Let's go put it in the shower and see what it looks like. Go get your adjustable shower bench today. It's beautiful.